Hello friends, welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Today I am going to share you a very interesting trick. Friends, when we use our word, we can use bullet sign, right? Suppose you named some, you have written some day's name or some student's name, or you have to list some products, anything. So you can easily use bullet. But if you are typing in notepad, is it possible? By default, there is no option to create a bullet sign in your notepad. But today, I'm going to show you a very interesting trick with the help of which you can easily add bullet sign in notepad. So, I have already opened my notepad and I have typed name of 5 months.
January,
February, March, April, May. So, I need to put the bullet sign before every month's name. So first I am going to
January,
then press home.
J.
Now here I need to add the bullet sign. To add the bullet sign, you have to press a key combination. Okay. So now I am turn on my numlock.
Numlock on.
Now I am pressing Alt 0149. Then I am pressing spacebar. Now I am pressing left arrow.
A, J, space, bullet.
Now this is bulleted.
Bullet January.
February. Now similarly I am doing
F.
For February. Alt. Then 0149.
Space, bullet.
Okay.
Bullet January, bullet February, March.
Now I'm quickly doing for all others.
Bullet March, April, A. Bullet April, May, M.
Then
bullet April, bullet May.
So now
bullet
listen.
January, bullet February, bullet March, bullet April, bullet May.
So this is the way, and this is very interesting trick to write bullet sign in your notepad. If you love this, so like the video, share the video and comment your opinion into the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to join us in Telegram. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.